In this video, I'm going to show you how to create PayPal account, and we're going to start right away. Now, first on your PC, open any of your favorite browser. Then on your browser, just go to paypal.com, or you can just check the link is in the description below. So once the link is open, your page will look like this. Now this is the official PayPal website. So once you're here, in the top right hand corner of your screen, we have these two options. It's a login button and sign up button. So to create a new account, just click on sign up button. Then next here, you need to select account type you want to create. So we have personal account and business account. So for me, I'll just select the first one here, personal account. Then once you're done, just click on continue. So the next page here, you'll be asked to provide your phone number, and your country will be selected automatically. But if you want to change your country, you can just click on this flag icon. Then from this list, select your preferred country. So I'll just leave it to Kenya because I'm from Kenya. Then down here, after your country code, you need to provide just type in or fill in your phone number. Then come down here and click on next. Then on this page here, you need not confirm your phone number by entering a 6-digit code sent to the phone number you provided right here. After that, the setup profile page will open up automatically. So just go ahead and provide your email address. Down here, your first name, then last name. Then next, you need to create your password. Then after that, just confirm or enter your password in the last option down here. Then once you're done, just click on next button, and add your address page will open up. Now what you need to do here, select your nationality. Then next, enter your date of birth. Then on ID, we have this option. We have national ID, passport, and driving license. So just go ahead and select your preferred options. So here I'll just choose a national ID. Then on the next blank space here, right here, fill in your national ID number. Then down here, enter your address. So if you have address 1, just go ahead and type in address 1 blank space. And if you have address line 2, just go ahead and fill in this space right here, or you can as well copy paste address line 1 in address line 2. So once you're done, you need not to check this box down here to confirm that you have read a consent and agreed to PayPal user agreement and privacy statement. Then finish up the process by clicking on agree and create account. Then next here, you can see your account is created successfully. Now what you need to do, just go to your email, then click on the link that is sent by PayPal team to confirm your email address. Then from there, log into your new PayPal account, and as you can see, the account is successfully created. So guys, that's how you can create PayPal accounts. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.